Okay, we're gonna try and get this part on the van now. What part? I'll show you. A lot of tape. I just hope this thing works. Hope it's the right size.
Me too.
Be very careful in case you need that again. Yeah. Be very careful in case you might need that again, in case that other one don't fit. Can you hold it? Here.
Just find the tab. Is there a tab? Oh, it's nice. Go get a screwdriver.
Look what that says. I'm going to the date. It's a part number and when it was first put on. $5/24/17. Yeah, precisely. 14 and 17. Look at the part number and the date it was put on.
Interesting.
It's a 17. Get it?
Wait a minute. Does the new one have... Okay, the new one's got bulbs and everything. Okay.
Yeah.
Good. So we can just unplug it. Oh, just took it out. Okay. There it is.
What? What did you need?
Need to figure out this. Need to figure out how this thing is working. There, push it down.
Oh, it's still in it, detached.
Okay.
It's not coming apart. Arizona. Arizona dirt. That's Arizona dirt, babe.
Mm-hmm.
Arizona A, your finest. So it won't come apart. Okay. So mine was just old and corroded, and that's why it wasn't coming off.
Packed with dust, probably.
It does fit. I was worried that it wasn't gonna fit.
See these tabs?
Yeah.
Go in the holes. Line them up. Let's go this way.
See, that's what I was worried about. It wasn't gonna work. Oh, look how pretty. Oh, don't crack it.
No, it's alright.
This is all bent from the accident. Can you pop this back into place, babe? See, right here came undone.
No.
Now what?
Plastic, metal. Plastic.
Okay,
metal.
but this somehow has to help. It ain't gonna work if it's not put back into place.
Well, this has no effect on this. So let's try.
Yay, I heard it. Only thing I don't like is this part right here. Oh shit.
What are you doing?
I'm doing nothing. I don't like how this is all just hanging. See, it's bent from the accident.
Yeah. Hold that.
Okay.
Push.
Oh. Oh. Okay. Those holes don't look lined up, babe.
We'll get it. Let's see if we can't get this thing going. It's going.
Yeah? Okay. Just don't think there's a gap and there's going to be water coming through that. And it's going to fill up with water just like the guy in the other YouTube video.
Okay. Before we get it tight, we're going to put the other one in.
Hey, but see how there's that big gap right there? I don't like that.
Well, there's a gap on the other side too, if you look at it.
Oh, there is?
Yep.
Okay. Oh, okay. Oh, shut up.
Put that in your video. Shut up. Then I'm gonna hold you to it.
I'll shut up. Okay, fine. There's a gap on the other side. My van's like, finally. Everybody will be so happy behind me, they'll be able to see me actually turning left. They'll actually see me turning left. I mean, actually, they can actually see it.
On a right tail light.
Yeah. I mean, look. Boy, did I fuck up. I fucked up good. See, I usually do that. Okay, turning right. Gotta turn right, Tina.
That one's tight.
Okay.
And we'll tighten the top one back
They
up.
can actually see me turning right. Oh, Lord, Lanquist. You're funny. I can laugh at myself. I'll laugh at myself. Okay.
We're almost there.
I just don't like this big gap. I don't like it.
Double check. Alright, go turn on your vehicle. Hit your brake lights.
Uh-huh.
Alright, so if that's
Turn signal
working,
works.
I'll go shut off your right turn signal and turn on your right lights.
Okay. My running lights. Can you see them?
Nope.
Well, you said running lights.
Yeah.
Maybe because of the sun? You mean my my night lights? My night lights.
Your button before the headlights. You know how there's a...
Yeah. Well, I had that. Can you see it?
Nope.
Well, look. You do it. Don't see nothing. Huh? Nice.
Go hit your brakes.
Okay. Alright, it's all fixed up. You can also follow me on Facebook and Instagram and TikTok too. And if you want to see more van repairs, which I'm sure there's going to be really soon, because my whole goal is to get back in the van. So yeah, keep on watching, keep on stepping, and keep on watching Tina the Outsider for more fun minivan adventures. Yeah, press that thumbs up.